Lord, she blows. Won't get on board. Better get your ticket now, my Lord, she blows. Gospel train is coming. Better get your ticket now. You better set your house in order, friend. You know the train's gonna be here tonight. Can't you hear the whistle blow? Hear the bells at dawn. Can't you hear the engine exhaust? You know the train gonna be here tonight. Now before she enters the pearly gates of heaven, can't you imagine? You hear the train blow. She blows so loud and oh so low. You know the train gonna be here tonight. Oh, now. You know the train gonna be here tonight. You know the train gonna be here tonight. Sinner man, won't you please ride this train? You better set your house in order, friend. You know the train gonna be here tonight. I hear the train coming. It's a-coming around the bend. It's on its way to glory, friend. You know the train gonna be here tonight. My Lord, she blows.